Hello, my name is Sylwia Gołuchowska and I am HR Director at Fresenius, and Fresenius is a partner of the HEPDA program. Fresenius, we operate through 75 clinics all over Poland, and we have there 6,000 patients. 6,000 patients means 1 million treatments per year, because we offer dialysis therapy. 1 million, again, treatments per year means we have to be supported by really advanced IT solutions. And of course we have such TDMS. We store there huge number of data connected with dialysis parameters, but also blood pressure, weight of our patients. I think the information may be of a high importance to the students because big data is assured. Also, company is quite active beyond, not only within the business. We offer, for example, good initiative called Second Life, where we talk about how important transplantations are. Another example is nephrotest. We invite our neighbors to our clinics and we offer them free of charge, just testing whether their kidneys are ill or not. So Fresenius means advanced technology, equipment, and for sure big data. So dear students, please be invited. Thank you.